In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Kohl's gift card. First, head to the official Kohl's website in your browser. It's a good idea to type the address directly or use a trusted bookmark so you know you're in the right place. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar. That indicates a secure connection and helps protect your payment details. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar at the top and type gift cards. You'll see results for gift cards and e-gift cards. Click into that section to open the dedicated gift card page. Now you'll choose the format that works best for you. If you want something instant and digital, select an e-gift card, which is delivered by email. If you prefer something you can hand to someone, select a physical gift card that will be mailed. E-gift cards are typically delivered within minutes to a few hours, while physical cards take standard shipping time. Next, select the amount. Online, you can usually choose any value from about $5 up to $500. If you're unsure, think about what the recipient might want to purchase and pick a number that matches your budget. After that, pick a design or occasion style. This is purely for presentation, but it's a nice touch. Birthdays, holidays, congratulations, or a clean, classic look all work well. For e-gift cards, enter the recipient's email address carefully. Double-check for typos since the card will be sent there. You can also add your own email to receive a copy or receipt if the page offers that option. For a physical card, enter the full shipping address, including apartment or unit details, and verify everything is correct to avoid delivery delays. There's usually a field to add a personal message. This is optional, but a short note can make your gift feel more thoughtful. Keep it simple and friendly. When you're ready, choose your payment method. You can typically pay with a credit or debit card, PayPal, or another listed option. Make sure your billing address matches your payment method to prevent any verification hiccups, and review the total before moving on. Some promotions don't apply to gift cards, so don't worry if you don't see a discount. Finally, confirm and complete your purchase. You should see an order confirmation on the screen and receive an email receipt shortly afterward. If you purchased an e-gift card, check your inbox and spam folder. For a physical card, watch for shipping updates and keep the confirmation handy until it arrives. That's it. Simple, secure, and fast. Enjoy gifting and happy shopping.